ungene ka-matric uhappy u-excited usitshela like kwenzakalani usibhalansise like mina I'm kinda lost man kwenzakalani ngempilo yakho.
I feel like misunderstanding Shem. My point, the motive behind ama vlogs lawa waka-matric specifically was to motivate
people to go to school.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That was my motive. But bona bayeka lento leyo. Bama babheka into nezimbi.
Yeah.
For ukuthi abana ayiko ne video yi-1 i-vlog akukho la khona inkinga sihamba yeke isikole angikazi angazi and then yenza ukuthi babona ukuthi we are having so much fun esikoleni. You can also have fun, go to school and have fun, but still but Poppy, no, never. And then mina into engimangazayo ne grade 8 bengenza ngithanda kuwe njengoba besla ngenze i-TikTok grade 7, so grade 8 obviously bengisayenza, grade 9 ngenza TikTok, grade 10 ngenza TikTok, akekho umuntu okhulumayo, grade 11 ngenza TikTok still ngithulile. How 12 how out of the blue seningilandela incwadi ezingakani zongitshengisa ama-rules engiwaphulile ama-Poppy Acts ngathi yabona bonke abantwana basesikoleni sami akekho umntwana ongayishuta ivideo. Mina ngifela ukuthi ngi-out there mangiposta bayabona, akekho umntwana ongayiposti ivideo, wonke umuntu uyaposta